Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, and display panel assembly. Removal: carefully release the top, sides, and bottom edges of the display bezel from the adhesive and retention tabs that secure it to the display enclosure. Remove the display bezel. Replacement: place the display bezel into position on the display enclosure. Carefully apply pressure to the edges of the display bezel to secure it to the display enclosure.